Court calls the case, People versus Tariq Day.
We're ready in that matter. Warren Brown, Deputy Public Defender, appearing on behalf of Mr. Day. I believe Mr. Day is appearing by video. Mr. Day, could you state your name for the record?
Tariq Day.
Thank you, sir.
Today is the date and time set for the competency review.
Did you guys get a new report?
I believe I did contact Ms. Hughes. She sent me a copy of the updated report. I was able to review it, and we should have
I have an order.
Yes.
I don't see a copy of the report. I don't have a copy.
One from way back in September.
I do.
That's the one.
That's the one. Okay.
That's the one.
All right. So there's no other additional
We
evidence?
have no further evidence to present, Your Honor.
All right. And nothing else from the people?
Thank you. Sorry, nothing else.
All right. Based upon that report, the court would find at this time then that the defendant is competent to stand trial. Specifically, the court would indicate that the defendant can understand the nature and objects of the proceedings against him and can rationally assist in his defense. Therefore, the defendant is deemed competent.
And now we would respectfully request that the probable cause conference be set.
All right. 2 weeks out work for you?
Yes, please.
All right. I'll set a probable cause conference then for December 19th, 2024, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you.
I
Your
have a
Honor.
question.
Yes, sir.
In regards to the competency hearing, it was not only to see if it stand trial, but it was more so to make sure that the court felt I was competent enough to defend myself, which is still my stance.
I think what he's saying is that he wants
The
you.
criminal responsibility. Is
Well,
that what he's talking about?
No, there's not criminal responsibility. Request or assessment.
Okay.
But Mr. Day, if you contact our office, we'll let you know. We'll answer your question. And if you're asking to represent yourself, which I believe that's what you're asking to do.
Oh,
Mr. Day? Is that what you're asking the court
Yes,
to allow
correct.
you to do? So we can have some conversation.
okay. Right. So you guys can talk about that, Mr. Day, if you're going to represent yourself, or if your decision is to do that after you talk with the public defender's office, you'll need to appear in person on the 19th. It will not be over Zoom.
Is there a reason for that?
Yeah.
Well, first of all, because I said so. And secondly, if you are going to appear, you are the defendant and you would then be counsel. So I want somebody before me.
Oh, somebody. Okay, because you said so, it's kind of a discriminatory.
Mr. Day?
Well, because I said so, that's how this works.
Mr. Day,
I'm done. Bond continued. I'll see you guys on the 19th.
contact our office, Mr. Day, and we can have a discussion.
Adios.
Cut him, please, before I say so. Good.
Good morning, Your Honor. Marcia Creature on behalf of Mr. Montano.
What are you going to do if I deny Mr. Moon's motion?
I'll be in big trouble.
Oh, okay. All right. I'll grant her motion to withdraw. Go ahead, Kevin.
Good morning, Your Honor. Marcia Creature on Mr. Montano. We'll be seeking an adjournment in this matter. He's in federal custody, I believe, at the moment.
All right. Mr. Montano, can you state your name, please, sir?
Yeah, my name's Alejandro Montano.
Thank you, sir. All right. You understand that your prior counsel is withdrawing and you have new counsel. You understand that, sir?
Honestly, I don't even know what's going on.
If I may, Your Honor,
Only if you're going to clarify it.
I am.
All right. Go ahead.
Okay. Your Honor, I was just appointed on this case, I believe, yesterday. And therefore, Mr. Montano is in federal detention. And I have sent a request to set up a meeting with him. I believe you're in Hazelton. Is that in Minnesota, sir?
No, that's in West Virginia.
West Virginia, okay.
Close.
It's been
Well,
open
Maybe.
a year
So-
and something. I don't know what's going on with this. I don't know why y'all keep pushing
So,
it.
sir-
I don't know what y'all got going on.
Okay, hold on a moment, sir.
So, Mr. Montano, I will contact the facility that you're in and make an appointment to come and not see you, but at least have phone contact with you, and I can explain that, sir.
See, that's what the last attorney said a month and a half ago.
I can't speak for the last attorney. I can only speak with what I'm going to do. I actually
I'm
was
saying
in
though,
sort-
why would you come and try to talk to me the day before court or a day before court? You need to
All right.
talk to me like as soon as possible, not whenever you
Okay,
feel
Mr.
like that, y'all. I don't know what y'all got going on.
Okay, Mr. Montano. So I don't know anything about them trying to talk to you. I'm going to give enough time that they'll be able to try to contact you and to be able to talk to you before we get to the next hearing. The
Look,
other
the thing
thing
is, I've been in custody
Mr. Sir,
since May 3rd,
I know.
23.
And all. Okay, you
This
done?
case is from May
or you
3rd,
wanna- I'll let you
23.
go. What? Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. What is 6 weeks out?
January 9th.
All right. What I'm gonna do, sir, is I'm gonna adjourn your probable cause to January 9th, 2025, 9 a.m. Ms. Cratcher will be in touch with you, and hopefully we can move this case along. All right? Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Receive a message, Your Honor, from 15th District Court indicating that Jermaine Jean Giles had appeared there bright and early this morning, thinking that their court date was scheduled for there. I was told that they sent him over here, but he does not have a telephone. I was unable to reach him previously. And he didn't have a phone to call, but they said that they sent him on his way. Fortunately, he's not here yet, but I would ask for an adjournment. And when he does reach here, I can let him know the date that the court set.
That was 15th District Court that let you know that?
I received an email this morning. That was the wrong person. Your Honor, I apologize. I did not have an explanation for Mr. Jean Giles's.
Seriously? Seriously, that whole thing wasn't about this person?
Just remember it because it's gonna come again. Apologize, Your Honor. That's why I had to double check and it's not. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I don't have an explanation for why. I'll just give you this is the one, and so. We'll still ask for a.
Yeah, you get things mixed up when you're woken out of a dead sleep. Bench warrant, bond 10,000, cash surety. That warrant will issue immediately.